Hi! In front of me is ALCATEL 1SE Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications. First of all, go into Devices Settings and tap on Apps and Notifications. Then select Notifications and click on See All from last 7 days. Now you can tap on Most Recent at the top and click on the best option for you. In my case, Most Frequent. Finally, just click on the switcher next to one of your apps to block notifications from it or enable them. You can also select one of your apps located on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!